Do you ever get worried about a friend walking home at night by themselves? iOS 17 has a new feature for iPhone that'll keep you and your friends connected and safe. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where you can also get my free newsletter. Check-in is a new feature that'll alert a friend or family member when you've arrived at your destination. If you haven't made any progress, Check-in will send you an alert and ask if you want to add time to your arrival. If you don't respond, Check-in's going to notify your friend and tell them your location, the route you took, and your iPhone's battery level and cellular service if they want to contact you. This is a great safety feature. To use Check-in, go to Messages and select the conversation with the person you trust to share your location with. On the bottom left, you're going to tap the plus button. A panel's going to appear and then click More. Next to the yellow circle with a check mark, click Check-in. From there, you can input the location you're going to and the time you're expected to arrive. You can also choose how much data you want to share. The limited option shares location, network signal, battery level. The full option shares all of that, plus routed travel, location of last iPhone unlock, and the location of where an Apple Watch was last removed if you have one. When you've arrived at your destination, Check-in will notify your contact that you've arrived safely and will end successfully. I don't know about you, but this makes me feel a lot better about the people I love and keeping track of each other. Head to cyberguy.com for more tips, and that's where you can also get my free newsletter.